Shut up and sit down.
Essay on Pleasures of Gardening. Pleasures of Gardening essay for students and children in English. Gardening gives me immense pleasure. Moreover, gardening is my hobby. During my leisure, I do gardening. The desire to grow fruits and flowers is but natural in me. I devote my spare time to gardening by growing flowers, fruits, vegetables, and other plants. In my garden, I grow oranges, lemons, mangoes, pomegranates, and bananas. There are vegetables like spinach, carrot, radish, tomato, cauliflower, and brinjal. The garden gives me great pleasure. I keep myself physically fit with the help of this hobby. But the best benefit that gardening gives me is that I keep myself in the cradle of nature. Nature is such a supreme thing that even God resides in nature. Poets like Wordsworth, Shelley, and Keats have written many poems on nature because nature appealed to them the most. A poet has said, one is nearer to God's heart in a garden. By staying and working in the garden, one feels quite close to nature. For a poet like Wordsworth, nature was everything. To him, nature was a teacher, a preacher, a mother, a healer, a consoler, and a companion. So is the case with me. I see the living God in plants and flowers. For me, these are the objects of delight and happiness. The cool and fresh air of the morning, the fragrance of the flowers, the humming of bees, and the music produced by their sounds transport me into the kingdom of beauty and joy. Gardening can give pleasure to all. Some people can get monetary benefits from gardening, while for some it is a hobby and a source of relaxation from busy lives. Gardening inspires us to work during our leisure and creates a taste for refinement and purity. It takes us away from the world of sorrow and sadness, rush and tension. A garden is a place, a love something. So says a great writer. It's a place of beauty and delight. It is one of the most enchanting spots because it gives us a pleasure that is quite natural and godlike, and also it keeps us away from the maddening crowd of city.